was just such a punch to the gut. It feels like, two steps forward, one step back.
Several parents in the Lawrence Township School District say they're stuck making some tough decisions less than 2 weeks away from the start of a new school year. This comes as the district says masks will not be required, only recommended for those who have not been vaccinated. And that aligns with the new guidance from the Marion County Health Department released this afternoon. Parents we spoke with say this puts the younger students, those under 12, who are not yet eligible for the COVID-19 shot, at risk. And to complicate things, there are mixed messages among some of the country's highest-ranking healthcare workers. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that everyone older than the age of 2 wear their masks inside of schools regardless of vaccination status. While the CDC says students and teachers who are vaccinated do not need to wear masks, but those who are not vaccinated should still wear them inside of school. But here in Indiana, each school district is making its own decision on whether to require masks this fall. So what do parents need to know? WRTV's Megan Sanctorum finds out.
Summer break wraps up and kids get ready to head back to the classroom. Some parents here in Lawrence Township say they're being put in a tough spot.
I feel as a parent, I'm having to make a choice between their education and their safety.
As of now, district leaders say masks are recommended, but not required for students and staff.
I'm concerned about COVID. It's not over for us.
This was just such a punch to the gut. It feels like, 2 steps forward, one step back. It was great that we're being able to be vaccinated. Some children are choosing to be vaccinated. Those are all amazing steps. So until my children are old enough to be able to be vaccinated, it feels kind of scary.
Kelly Haig has a 5-year-old and a 7-year-old. Anne Marie Valdez, the mother of a 6 and 11-year-old. They say their COVID-19 concerns are real, especially as new variants emerge.
I wanted nothing more than to send my kids back to school. They need and would love to have that social interaction, but their safety also has to come first.
They say it's especially frustrating seeing other districts like Indianapolis Public Schools require masks for everyone who has not yet been vaccinated.
I thought that we were definitely all in the same class of really taking COVID seriously last year, so I don't think that we are matching them in student safety right now.
Leaders with the Metropolitan School District of Lawrence Township were unavailable for an interview today, but sent this release saying they're recommending a mask for those who have not been vaccinated, but ultimately they'll leave the decision up to families and their doctors. While some parents in the district appreciate the ability to decide for themselves, others still worry about student safety, and they want to see masks be required for everyone who has not been vaccinated.
Schools have fire drills. Schools have a table set up for kids who can't be around nuts. They do all these things to protect our kids and provide safety for the children. And this is just one more thing that we're asking them to do.
Working for you, Megan Sanctorum, WRTV.
Again, at this point, it's up to each school district in Indiana to decide whether it will require masks this fall. As Megan mentioned, a lot of students at Indianapolis Public Schools will have to wear masks during the upcoming school year. The new guidance from IPS says students and staff who have not had the COVID-19 vaccine are required to wear masks. Those who are vaccinated may opt out of wearing masks by voluntarily providing proof of their vaccination. Masks are required on IPS buses for everyone, regardless of vaccination status, and the district is recommending all staff and students wear masks while indoors.